Hey everyone! Well, we're back from the Florida RV show and we wanted to share with you our scavenger hunt results. So here we go.
Some of these were a little too easy.
Yeah, we didn't really know what to expect, so we definitely need to up our game next time.
Plastic food, it was found in abundance. The first thing we came across were these 3 plastic apples. And then we saw these really cool items in a little barbecue display, which ironically, these were all probably cheaper than the real food they were selling.
Yeah, oh yeah, anything was cheaper than that. The RVs were cheaper than the food. Okay, dog wearing clothes.
Lots of this.
Chloe. She was the first one we saw, but there are dogs everywhere.
And they have very loose pet rules here. So you can let your dogs walk with you, run around. So if you're a dog lover, you want to go to the Tampa RV show. Taco stand and other low-hanging fruit that
we had no idea how easy it would be.
Was
it was like,
too easy to find.
Yeah, it was like the first thing we saw when we
But
walked
they have
in.
tacos, so take heart, taco lovers.
A free Frisbee. Oh, I looked and looked, and then I was telling this kid and that I needed a Frisbee, and he said he got one, and I said I needed to go get one, and he actually gave me his. And so he was the cutest thing ever.
He is our hero.
Yeah, he was our hero.
Spin the wheel game. Seems like everyone had a spin the wheel game on their table.
That wasn't too hard either. I really wanted the fly swatter, but I ended up with something else.
Yeah.
I can't remember.
I do like the dry erase
yeah, you
wheel.
can change it up. Live music. Again, low-hanging fruit. We
Tons
had no
of
idea.
this though. So in Hershey they didn't have that much, but in Tampa they've got.
We have a one-man band. We have bagpipes. Oh, take off your shoes. Yeah, there was some bougie things there. I went into the Bowlus, which I'd always wanted to go into.
And we're doing a review of this one.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. There was also a Newell, which was amazing. Last one sign, no.
We didn't see any that said last one, but they had lots of everything there. We didn't see any. There wasn't a sense of, oh, we better hurry and get in on this.
No. Oh my gosh. So everything that we saw that was 129 was either 995 or anyway.
Yeah, no one ends with a 9 anymore.
No, this is the best that we could come up with. So that was a no.
Financing available? There's always financing available. Another low-hanging fruit.
Yeah, but we couldn't find one for rigs. We only could to find one for a golf cart.
No,
yeah,
that's a little more affordable.
Trailer that, oh, this is another one.
2311.
Yeah.
So we're looking for this Delta trailer, the ML106. It's 2311. We didn't see it. I'm not sure it was there. We couldn't find it, but I guess that's technically a fail.
Oh, a rig that sleeps 13. Not legally.
No, but
no.
We found this one that sleeps 14. I think this is the largest we found. You could put these 2 families in there. They have like quad double bunks in the back.
But we didn't see this at the show.
No, sadly, 1 toilet.
Yeah, 1 bathroom. So
you got 14 people using 1 bathroom.
You have a lot of problems.
Yeah.
This again, it's so easy. We had no idea this was all going to be so easy. There were like 3 of these at least that we saw. So we got that one. Of course, we saw
always someone that sells Liquified.
Yep, and we love Kim.
Hi,
she
Kim.
is the best. She's so fun. And get yourself some Liquified.
Unique camp chair.
Yeah.
So we found a few, but we found something we hadn't seen before.
Yeah.
So
this was super
these folding
cute.
high chairs, which actually are fantastic. So if you want to start your kids out young, get them in the folding high chair, put them outside.
Yeah, we loved that. We thought they were super
cup of coffee.
fun.
Just kidding.
Oh, this one was hilarious. So on Industry Day, we're in line to get our credentials, and the guy behind us is from Utah.
That's right, NPS Generators. And I think they manufacture them here, so we should do a factory tour.
Yeah, we'd love that. Useful free branded item. I didn't have to look too far, because who couldn't use another t-shirt? MJ and Izzy. We missed them this time, which is weird because we pass them like several times a day whenever we're in Hershey.
Yeah, I think they had a influencer event, but we weren't able to make that.
Yeah, we missed that. We took a day off.
Catch them next time.
Yeah, that was fun. Shinpaughs, yay! The first time I got to meet them, finally. I love them.
Went to their event, that was fun.
Yeah, if you don't follow them, they are so amazing. I love them. They have a Prevo and just a really nice family.
Gabby, oh, we found Gabby.
Yeah, we love Gabby. She makes our day. She is just a little ray of sunshine.
She's the best.
Follow her. She's a lot of fun.
Those who glamp?
Yeah, they're new friends of ours. Follow them on their channel. We met up with them twice. They're from Ohio, And we had a really nice time with Mike and Joni.
But didn't take a picture.
No,
so
we didn't take a picture.
We had to make that fake one.
So Matt, we love Matt. Matt is a machine.
Somehow he's at every show.
Yeah.
And this guy is really literally a saint.
And we love him. He's
founder
so
of
good
Liquified.
to us. Yep, he's awesome. Just such a hard worker and a great,
we like
great
Liquified
person.
too.
Yes.
And that's unsponsored.
We did
RV Miles?
not see RV Miles.
We did a ton of videos from the show, but we didn't run into him. We couldn't see him. So
no, and we missed his meetup as well. So
RV Miles.
Yep. Wild RV Life. This was a hard one because I really wanted to go to this, but like I said, we took one day off, and that was the day of their meetup. So, but that looks like a lot of people attended. I don't think they missed us.
Might have been. They weren't asking
New to us
where we
content creator. Oh,
GilComPlex. We ran into these gentlemen first, so they have a little channel.
Yep, check it out. It was really fun. And then a subscriber.
Oh, we actually ran into a subscriber, which surprised me.
Misty from Massachusetts.
Thanks, Misty.
Meet her.
New subscriber. We met. Actually, gave our information to a few folks, but Kurt from Campers Inn, Lazy Days, he actually subscribed.
Oh, he was so fun. We talked to him for a long time. Really nice guy. Salesperson with a gimmick.
This was toward the end of the show when we found this guy.
This wasn't as easy as we thought. But then we found
Conklin.
Michael, and he was cowboy ready. He was ready to rock and roll.
He would sing you a song.
He was awesome.
Pets other than dogs.
Pets other than a dog.
All the other shows have strict rules about pets, not Tampa.
No.
So first pet we came across was this cat, but there was more. Now we didn't see this in person, but the Pebble sales guy showed us this. Someone brought a pig around in a cart.
Dan really wanted to see a pig in person, so he was sad he missed that.
Yeah, really sad.
Okay, again, this was, who knew, super easy. It was like the first thing we walked in on. Dan wanted to see the Keystone Walkabout. We walked in on Industry Day. First thing we looked at, and there it was.
Stickers.
Oh, so many fun stickers from content creators. That is such a fun thing. We met these people. Bouken is adventure.
And Bouken is adventure, the Japanese word for adventure. Check out their channels.
Yeah.
Really nice folks. We need to find an alligator, but actually looking at videos of alligators, I decided not only did we not find one, but I don't think I want to find one. Because
no, but you did make us look in every body of water for one. Okay, thanks for joining us, and remember, keep it campy.